Hello everyone, welcome back to training. Today I'm going to explain how I use Copilot to generate a VBA macro that takes two different charts with the same chart title on two different Excel sheets and paste them onto a single PowerPoint slide. The key thing to understand up front is that Copilot works best when you describe the outcome and the constraints clearly instead of jumping straight into code. So before I ask Copilot anything, I define the problem in plain English. I know I have two worksheets, each with a chart that shares the same visible title, and I want both of those charts copied into PowerPoint and placed neatly on the same slide. My first prompt to Copilot is high level. I'll say something like, write a VBA macro in Excel that connects to PowerPoint, finds charts by chart title on two different worksheets, and paste them onto one PowerPoint slide. This gives Copilot the big picture without overwhelming it with details. Once Copilot generates the initial version of the macro, I don't expect it to be perfect. Instead, I review the structure. I'm looking to see if it handles three core things: finding charts by title, connecting to PowerPoint, and positioning shapes on a slide. If one of those pieces is missing or too generic, that's where follow-up prompts come in. For example, Copilot will often assume a single chart or a single worksheet. So my next prompt might be, update the code so it searches sheet A for the first chart and sheet B for the second chart, even though the chart titles are identical. That forces Copilot to refine the logic and loop through chart objects on each sheet separately. Another common refinement is how charts are transferred. If Copilot pastes them in an unpredictable way, I'll ask, modify the VBA so the charts are copied as images using copy picture and then paste as shapes in PowerPoint. This usually results in much cleaner and more reliable outputs. Positioning is another area where prompting matters. Instead of manually editing coordinates, I'll tell Copilot exactly what I want visually. For example, place the first chart on the left half of the slide and the second chart on the right half, aligned at the same height. Copilot will then calculate left, top, and width values relative to the slide. What's important here is that I'm not memorizing VBA syntax. I'm reviewing, guiding, and refining. Copilot is doing the heavy lifting, but I'm steering it by being specific about sheet names, chart titles, slide numbers, and layout expectations. Once the macro looks right, I paste it into Excel's VBA editor, run it, and test it. If something doesn't work exactly as expected, I go back to Copilot with the error or behavior and say, here's what happened, adjust the code, or walk me through this process. That feedback loop is where Copilot really shines. In practice, this approach turns VBA development into a conversational process. Instead of writing dozens of lines from scratch, I describe what I want, validate the logic, and iterate until the automation matches the business outcome. That's how I use Copilot to create VBA code that pulls matching charts from different Excel sheets and automatically builds a clean PowerPoint slide. Faster, more reliably, and without needing to be a VBA expert. That's all for today. Please click the like and subscribe button and see you next time.